Good morning, everybody. It's Friday, almost weekend is here, and futures went crazy and now it's pulling back. Um, obviously, market CPI got a revision, and government is manipulating the data. That's my opinion, but it is what it is. And everything jumped up big, and indexes on the news, but right now it's pulling back. And 3 MACD, 5 MACD on the ES is dead crossing, and then ES made a new all-time high, but it's still 15:30 and 1 hour is upward, 4 hours kind of flat, and we're still very bullish on daily and weekly. So what we need is when market opens, we need to have a 1 minute and 3 minutes MACD golden cross run up, and maybe we go back to the high of pre-market. But if you see 15:30 MACD dead cross, then we can have a pullback. Maybe some profit locking at open because this weakness is a little bit of weakness pre-market, but we'll see. Still 30 minutes to go to open. So I'm gonna cover both sides. We'll see what's gonna happen. NQ still 5 minutes is still up, 15 is kind of flat, 31 hour is upward, 4 hours still very bullish on the TTM squeeze, and daily is curving up, and weekly is still very bullish. Dow Jones 4 hour very bullish still, daily weekly very bullish. RTY, small caps jumped up and pulled back for now. Still very bullish on daily and weekly. Daily MACD is curved up, so this one is on the run. So keep an eye on this one. If TNX falls, small caps can go crazy. DXY pulled back on the news on the CPI revision, but right now is recovering, causing some weakness in market. TNX still green. That one went down and came up again. It's still 41.68 above it. So if it goes below at any time, market can rip up higher as it did, like pre-market. But watch for now. Yeah. So the 2 weeks little bit green. Just keep in mind low of the season is 1181. So it's under 13. If it goes above 13, can cause some problems as it did yesterday at the open. It went above 13. It caused a little bit issue at open, but then it pulled back and helped the market stay strong up. What else we got here? BTC is ripping up higher. Oh, let me go SPX first. So SPX it's opening above 5,000 for now, and if it rips up, watch. Let me tell you the levels. 5,005 should open above that. So it's opening above 5,005. If it rips up, next target is 5028 and 5051. If it gets crazy for next week, the major target is 5128. That's possible to come by OPEX. BTC is keep ripping up higher, and this one is just very very bullish right now. 15:30, 1 hour, 4 hour, everything is upward. Daily MACD is just parabolic up, and weekly was about to dead cross 2 weeks ago, but then it curves up, and right now it's getting very close. Maybe it gets close to 50k. Watch 50k. 50k passes this weekend, things can get a little bit very crazy on cryptos. Apple Apple went up and pulled back. Two key levels to watch is 188.46, 190.08. Passes either one can make a bigger move. 4 hours still in a dead cross. Daily MACD is not golden cross yet. So this one didn't have a good earning, but it bounced up. So we'll see. It's just digesting this move. Amazon 2 points higher, 1 point higher. 171.42 is a key level to watch. Past that one, 173.24 can come on higher level. Pre-market looking very bullish on 15:30 and 1 hour. 4 hour TTM squeeze, we got light blue bars. If the 4 hour golden cross anytime this today or next week, it can go for another bigger jump up. 172.5 was the high of the post earnings, so that one passes, it can go get crazy. Nvidia 8 points higher. Pre-market 15:30, 1 hour is upward. 4 hour we got light blue bars, but it's not golden cross on the MACD yet. So 709, 710 is a key level to watch. That one passed 714 and can get very crazy. I think another leg up is coming on this one. As I mentioned, 754 is the next target. If it gets crazy, maybe on the earning. I'm not sure before earning 800 comes, but before earning 754 possible to come, and then maybe on the earning goes to 811, 883. That's my final Fibonacci target. Oh, let me just go back to Nvidia. Nvidia, just keep in mind, last few days, it had a fall at open, then it ripped up higher. So in case it falls and 700 can hold it, those are the supports to watch: 694, 689, 684. AVGO. Oh wow, big dump there. I don't know if I missed something on news. I didn't see any news. 1274 was a key level and it passed it. Right now is under 1250. I had put on this and sold it. So anyhow, AVGO falls more 1229, 1215 is the next target, looking very bearish on the 1530 and 1 hour. 4 hour is dead cross already, so it's possible to go to 1229 and 1215. Need to get 1530 MACD golden cross for run up. If 1254 passes, then can go recovery, but I'm sure there was a news or something that this one dumped. Baba. Pre-market is still 4 hour bearish. Daily MACD is curved down. Just ignore the Chinese names, best to do. Netflix gap up open. 15:31 hours upward. 4 hours golden cross, which is really good because I think, yeah, after earning, this is the first 4 hour golden cross. That's a very good news, actually. So watch 572. If 572 passes, 569 at open and 572.93. If past those, next major levels are 578 and 584.71. This one is possible to go for a run up because I love that the 4 hour is golden cross. Meta. Finally broke 471 level, but pre-market right now 15 and 30 is kind of flat, so we'll see if it opens and jumps. If, if it opens and jumps, 474, 477, 23 is the next target. Above that can get crazy and go 481, 484, 487, 45. 4 hour is still very bullish. 1 hour got a golden cross. So this one, watch it at open. If it jumps, can get crazy like last few days. Tesla, 1.5 point higher, but pre-market after the jump, 5 minutes MACD dead cross and 15 is dead cross again. So Tesla trend is up. Daily MACD is golden cross. 4 hours still very bullish. We got TTM squeeze light bars, and the 1 hour got a golden cross again. And there is mixed signal. So last few days it opened a little bit up, maybe it jumped a little bit higher, then boom, it dumped and then recovered very fast. So I'm gonna just show the levels. So if 189 passes, it can go again retest those level. But watch 1 and 3. If it falls, watch 1 and 3 minutes MACD golden cross. If that happens, can go for recovery. And once pre-market high passes, we're looking at 194.18 and 197.31 is the next target. 197.200, it's possible to come by next week. Microsoft, new all-time high. 420 is the next target. It's possible to hit today. 30 and 1 hour is very bullish. 4 hours same. And if 420 passes, next major target is 450. Maybe it comes before the next earnings, so it's long way to go. Google, 146.33 finally broke it and is opening above it. So next targets are 147, 148, 148.94. Pre-market right now 5 and 15 is dead cross. So if 146 can hold it, can have a pullback. But if market goes for a rip up, 148.94 is on the tap, and above that, those are 150 can come. AMD opening around 170, 15:30, 1 hour is upward. 4 hour finally got a golden cross, so that's a good news there. Watch 170.95. If that one passes, we're looking at 172, 173.62 is the next major level. And above that can get very crazier, 176.45. Boeing was very weak yesterday, and the 4 hour is dead cross, so the pressure is down. It's all about passing 208 or 211 for next move. Otherwise, it's going to consolidate between these two levels. SPY made a new all-time high pre-market. Next major level, if it continues higher, is 503.05. Above that, if next week things can get crazy and it's squeezy, we're looking at 507, 513.74 is my next major levels. But Yeah, so pre-market again 15:31 hour is upward right now. 1 minute MACD is golden crossing, and 3 minutes MACD is golden cross too. So if 5 does the same, and it's possible that we pass all time pre-market high 503, maybe it's possible to come today. QQQ new all-time high. This one, it's all about 434.79. Past that one, 436.79, and above that for next week, possible 441, 445 if things get more crazier. If you see 15 minutes MACD golden cross, can go for another squeeze up. IWM 1 point higher. Right now it's all about 198.83. Past that one, 233, 201.84. Airbnb 5 points lower because of Expedia bad earnings. So 144, if it can hold it, can go to the lower level. Need to get above 147 for recovery. Adobe 3 points higher. 4 hours MACD is near golden cross. So 621, watch that one past 625 and can run up to the higher level. ARM was insane yesterday. It was just insane. But right now it's recovering. Some pullback, and the 4 hour we got dark blue bar. So if 107 can hold it, it can go back to 105. It's better to wait for digestion on this one. Once the 30 and 1 hour MACD golden cross, then can go for another run up. But this one went crazy yesterday. What else you got here? Coin went insane. It's going crazy right now. 144 passes, 147.67. Most likely 147 will come at open. Passes that one, 149, 151, 154. It's very bullish on the 15:31 hour, and the daily MACD was golden cross yesterday. Until the 4 hours doesn't have the dark blue bar, this can continue, keep going higher. What else you got here? Let me see. LRCX continuing going higher there. 881 passes. We're looking at 906, 931 is the next major level. MSTR is going insane too. And that one, next major is 645, 660. Past those, we're looking at 666, 675, 685. Until the 4 hour is not that dark blue bar, this one can continue squeezing up higher. Pan W reaching the 375 level. Above that, next major is 384 for long players. What else? Net help these cloud stocks for today. PayPal is dead. SMCI new all-time high. This one is 710 passes. We're looking at 720, 736, and 752 is the next major there. The Snow is opening, gapping up too, but pre-market right now showing some weakness on 5 and 15 and 30. We got a dark blue bar. Need to pass 232 for run up to the next level, which I have to draw it, but yeah, next major is 269. Shop was very crazy yesterday. Was in a breakout, but need to pass 90.93 again for run up to 92 and 93.93. What else? You got ASML making a new all-time high. 940. This next major levels are 945, 961, 976. Mara keeps going there too. 94, 24, 26, 24, 46 pass gets a squeezy. 2681, 2916. AFRM possible to go red to green. 15 and 30 is bullish, so if 46.6 passes, it can go red to green. 48, 41, 49, 77. Carvana, this one is getting squeezed too. Net, a big run up there too. This one I should get the levels. I don't have it, but my next major is 145.99. 15 and 30 MACD is dead cross pre-market. If passes pre-market high 117, it can continue going higher. I don't have the levels right now. Actually, I can draw it right now. Yeah, if you guys don't know how I do my Fibonacci, I do fib between fib, but the most important thing is how to draw the first one. That's my secret sauce. Okay, so yeah, so this one 114.95, need to pass that one to go to 120, 126.81. PLTR every day keeps going higher. 25 finally reaching. If past 25.42, next major level is 30. That's pretty much it. Pain's got a big dump, so that one is hurting travel stocks. So 127.83, that's next support. Um, Net, Pan W, of course, has more room to go. Net, let me go back to net again. Net to do 15 and 30 is dead cross, but 5 minutes MACD wallet. So watch 114.95. Past that one has more room to go. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for tuning in and have a lovely day.